Section 16.2, problem number 15, gives us a right triangle with sides 9, 15, 9 and 15, and then gives us a similar triangle, X, 6, and Y. The exercise says in exercise 15 through 22, given that the triangles are similar, find X and Y. So X and Y. So what we have to do is find the hypotenuse. All sides are similar. That means the angles are exactly the same. So here we have a right triangle. The long side is not given. The short side, 9 over X, over the hypotenuse, 15 over 6. So this one is bigger. This one is smaller. So you compare the triangles. Bigger side, smaller side. Bigger side, bigger hypotenuse, smaller hypotenuse. From there you solve. I like to cross multiply. So X times 15 equals 15X equals 9 times 6, which is 54. Isolate your variable. X equals 3.6. Now, in order to find Y, we need to find this long side. Well, what we have here is Pythagorean's theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Let's say this is A, this is B, and this is C. We can do the same here. We're trying to solve for B squared. So let's isolate B, subtract A squared from both sides. B squared equals C squared minus A squared. Take the square root here and the square root here. We now know that B equals the square root of C squared minus A squared. We plug in our numbers. C squared is 15 squared. A is 9 squared. So we type into our calculator the square root of 15 squared minus 9 squared, close parenthesis, equals 12. So now we know B equals 12. So now we have to compare this triangle to this triangle to solve for Y. So we can say our given was our hypotenuse. So a 15 is 2, 6. As we always start with the big side, 12 is 2Y. Cross multiply, 6 times 12 is 72, equals 15Y. Isolate your variable. Type into your calculator 72 divided by 15. Y equals 4.8.